This is the last step of translation protein synthesis called termination and release. The ribosome has moved along the messenger RNA towards the 3' direction from codon to codon. This is the polypeptide chain which is growing, which is extending in the P site. This is the last tRNA. It carries the polypeptide chain which is undergoing elongation. The tRNA reaches each codon and the successive amino acids are linked by peptide bonds to form polypeptide chain. As tRNA recognizes and reads a codon, the amino acid which is coded by that particular codon is linked to the polypeptide chain. Elongation continues till the ribosome reaches termination codon or stop codon. There are 3 termination codons in messenger RNA: UAA or UAZ or UZA. If the ribosome reaches any one of the stop codons, say UAZ, and the A site of the ribosome is fixed in the termination codon, a release factor, RF stands for release factor, binds to the termination codon. This release factor is a protein that binds to the stop codon in the A site. As soon as A site is fixed in the UAZ or UZA or UAA, the polypeptide chain synthesis stops because UAZ does not code for any amino acid. So polypeptide chain is completely formed. There will be no more amino acid that will be linked to the polypeptide. The termination has occurred. Now the polypeptide has to be released because polypeptides or proteins have to perform many functions in the cell. The release factor indicates the polypeptide chain is released from the ribosome, from the factory of protein synthesis to the cytoplasm. So as soon as the ribosome arrives at one of the stop codons, A site is fixed in the stop codon, termination occurs, elongation stops, and the release factor binds to the ribosome in the A site to the stop codon, and the polypeptide is released. The uncharged, the tRNA will become uncharged. It will again be released into the cytoplasm. Lastly, the larger subunit and the smaller subunit of ribosome, which are now associated, will dissociate because protein synthesis is complete. So larger and smaller subunits of ribosome dissociate and they remain free. They remain free and separate in the cytoplasm. When translation begins, they will again associate and they form a complete ribosome. This is termination and release, the last step of translation.